morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana and today we will do practice of articles. And you all know students how many articles? How many articles are there? Yes, there are 3 articles, a, and the. And how many types of articles? There are 2 types of articles. First is definite article and second one is indefinite article. And indefinite article are a and an, and definite article is the. So students, in this topic we will do a worksheet. Here is a worksheet of articles on the board, and we will do the worksheet of articles. And you all know the use of articles. How do we use articles? Where do we use articles? है ना? We use a with the consonant sounds and we use an with the vowel sound. Okay students, and that is definite article. Yes, we use the with the particular things. We use the with the name of particular thing. Like proper nouns है ना? We use the with the proper nouns, and we use the with the superlative degrees, and we use the with the name of rivers, monuments and mountains, oceans and seas. And when we talk about someone in the first sentence, then we use a or an according to the sound. And when we talk about that one again in the second sentence, then we put the, okay, before that noun. Okay students, now are you ready for the worksheet? Okay, now we will do the worksheet of articles. So students, in this worksheet we have to complete the sentences using means with a, an or the. Okay, we have to complete the sentences using a and the. A and the का यूज करके हमें sentences को complete करना है. Okay, first of all we will read each and every sentence. Okay, after that we will find out the correct sound. We will find out the sounds of vowel and consonant, and according to the sound we will put a or an. Okay, and the, we use the with the sound. No, we use the with plurals, and we use the with the proper nouns. है ना? Yes. So students, we will read. Okay, let's read with me. Yesterday we saw dash cat in dash drain. It was hurt, so we took dash home. Yes, after dash there is a cat. Yes, what is the word here? Cat. And what is the first sound of cat is? K. What is the first sound of cat is? K. And K is a consonant sound. And you all know very well, we use what? We use A with the consonant sounds. So students, we will fill with A. है ना? We will fill it with A. And the second one, drain. And the sound of drain, the first sound of drain is D. है ना? The first sound of drain is D. Drain, D. Okay. It was hard, so we took dash home. Okay students? Yes. Now, we will fill it. Yesterday we saw dash cat. The first sound of cat is ka. That's why we will put A. We saw a cat in a drain. Yesterday we saw a cat in a drain. It was hurt, so we took a home. So we took, क्योंकि वो अपने घर ले गए थे. This is the kind of thing. This is the kind of place. And ये क्या बता रहा है? ये बता रहा है कि ये एक प्रॉपर प्लेस है. ओके, वो उनका प्लेस है. दैट्स वाई वी पुट द. वो अपने घर, it was hurt, so we took the home. Next is dash elephant has dash trunk. It uses dash trunk to carry things. Yes, the first sound of elephant is a. That's why we put a or n. Yes, tell me. What is the sound of elephant? A. And a is the sound of vowels, है ना? A is the sound of vowels, and we use an with the sound of vowels, है ना? So we will put an. An elephant has a trunk. Yes, a trunk. Why? Because the T has a consonant sound. What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of T here? T. T is the consonant sound. That's why we will put A. Okay, we will put A. An elephant has a trunk. Next one, it uses. Yes, it uses dash trunk to carry things. Yes, students, now tell me what will we fill here? Because, yes, this is your turn, students. Now you tell me what will we fill here. हम यहाँ क्या fill करेंगे? Yes, first of all we will read again the sentence. An elephant has a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. है ना? In the first sentence we talk about the elephant's trunk, and we talk about trunk again in the next sentence. Okay, that's why we use the with the trunk. It uses the trunk to carry things. Yes, students, we use the when we talk about the thing. When we talk about the thing again in the second sentence. When we talk about that thing in the first sentence, we use a or an according to the sound, and we talk about that thing again in the second sentence. Then we use the with it. Okay, उसके साथ हम the use करते हैं. Now, students, next one. Dash old man passed by our house. Dash old man passed by our house. Okay. This sentence has been completed here. That's why क्या किया मैंने? I have put it a full stop here. Okay. An old man passed by our house. So students, we have to recognize the sound first of old. Yes. What is the first sound of old is? What is the first sound of old is? O. What is the first sound of old is? O. And O is the vowel sound. है ना? And we use N with the vowel sound. Yes, I know you all know very well about the sounds, है ना? The next sentence is he was holding dash cane. Yes, students, cane. We didn't talk about cane here in the first sentence, है ना? That's why we will put A before cane, है ना? Because the first sound of cane is K. That's why we put cane. And we didn't talk about cane in the first sentence. हमने नहीं किया उसके बारे में बात. That's why we will put A. A cane. He was holding a cane. I think he was dash beggar. Yes, tell me. What will we fill here? Yes. I think he was dash beggar. No? Okay, I will tell you. Students, yes. We talk about an old man in the first sentence. है ना? Who is passed by our house. हमारे घर के पास से गुजरा. We talk about, है ना? We are talking about an old man in the first sentence who is passed by our house. जो हमारे घर के पास से गुजरा. ओके, एंड उसने क्या किया था? ही वॉज होल्डिंग अ केन. उसने केन पकड़ा हुआ था. एंड आई थिंक ही वॉज डैश बैगर. आई थिंक ही वॉज डैश बैगर. ही किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है? ही. वी हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? वी आर यूजिंग ही for this old man, है ना? We use he for this old man. That's why we use the, because we are talking about old man again in the next sentence, है ना? हम next sentence में दोबारा बात कर रहे हैं for of old man, है ना? हम old man के बारे में we are talking about old man again in the next sentence. That's why we use the, because we are talking about an old man. We are talking about the old man. This old man here. इस वाले old man के बारे में यहाँ दोबारा बात होगी. I think he was the beggar. Okay, he was the beggar. Clear to all? Okay. Now the next sentence is dash sky is clear today. Dash sky is clear today. Yes. Tell me, what will become here? Yes, what will become here, students? Dash sky is clear today. Yes, sky. Sky, A or N or the? A, N or the? Yes, tell me. You have three options. Yes, students, we won't be use A here because okay, I will tell you again the reason. Okay, we won't be use N here, we won't be use A here. Why? Because it is a proper noun. It is a universal thing, है ना? It is a proper noun and we use the with the proper nouns and universal things, है ना? Like planets, the name of planets, the name of skies, stars, we use the, है ना? We use the. Sky is only one. Okay, sky is only one and this is a proper noun. That's why we use the. The sky is clear today. Okay, let's go for dash picnic. Let's go for, okay, tell me, A, N or the? What will become here? Yes, A, N or the? Yes, tell me, the. No, we didn't use picnic in the first sentence, है ना? We didn't use the picnic in the first sentence. Yes, that's why we use A or N according to the sound. So students, let's recognize the sound of picnic. And what is the sound? What is the first sound of picnic? Yes, the first sound of picnic is paw. The first sound of picnic is paw. What is the sound? What is the first sound of picnic is paw. That's why we use A. Okay, let's go for a picnic. Yes, the sky is clear today. Let's go for a picnic. Okay, students. Now, next one is, here is dash taxi. Here is dash taxi. Shall we go by dash taxi then? Yes, students. In this sentence, a boy is asking his dad that, shall we go by taxi? Shall we go by dash taxi? Okay. Okay. He is asking his dad. Okay. Now, and first of in the first sentence, he is telling his dad that here is a taxi. Here is dash taxi. And in the second sentence, he is asking his dad, shall we go by? Okay, so first of all we will recognize the sound of taxi. And what is the first sound of taxi? What is the first sound of T? T. What is the first sound of T? T. That's why we use A. Why? Because it is a consonant sound. Very good, students. Yes. Next one is, shall we go by? Shall we go by dash taxi then? Okay, yes, I know you all know about this because we use taxi. We use taxi again in the sentence because हमने यहाँ पे taxi के बारे में बात की है. We talked about taxi in the first sentence, है ना? That's why we use the with taxi. Okay, shall we go by the taxi? The son is talking about the taxi in the first sentence and in the second sentence he क्या कर रहा है वो? He is using the word taxi again. That's why we use the with the taxi. Very good, students. You all know use the articles here. So students, do this worksheet in your notebook and do the practice because practice brings perfection and you have to do more and more practice of each and every topic of grammar. Okay students, bye bye. Stay home and keep safe.